Have you ever felt like the world is moving away too fast? And no matter what you do, peace feels out of reach. Maybe your mind is always racing, worrying about the past, or stressing over the future. Trust me, you are not alone. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Unparalleled Lifestyle. Before we dive in, I want to be upfront with you. I was born profoundly deaf, so my speech may sound a little different from what you're used to. But that is the part of who I am, and I am here to share my journey with you. Thank you for your kindness and understanding. It truly means a lot. In today's video, we are going to talk about something we all need. Inner peace. But what does that even mean? And how do you actually find it? Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll have some powerful tools to develop lasting inner peace. So what exactly inner peace? It is not something about avoiding problems or pretending bad things don't happen. It is about staying calm and centered, no matter what life throws your way. Imagine being in a storm. Instead of panicking, you will feel steady, like a mountain that remains unmoved by the wind. The inner peace is about mental clarity, emotional stability, and a deep sense of acceptance. It is that quiet confidence that allows you to handle stress without letting it control you. But how do you get there? Let's break it down. The first step is mindfulness. If your mind feels like a browser with 100 tabs open, mindfulness helps you to close the unnecessary ones. It is about living in the present moment, instead of being lost in regrets or worries. A great way to practice mindfulness is through deep breathing. Try this, for example. Inhale for 4 seconds, and hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. Just try it and you'll notice you'll feel better. And do this regularly. Helps you slow you down your thoughts and bring instant calmness. Another trick, gratitude. Every morning, think of 3 things or more you are grateful for. It shifts your focus from what's missing out to what you already have good in your life. Which I do every day, and it is a game changer. The second step, let go of what you can't control. A huge part of stress comes from trying to change things that are simply out of your hands. Other people's opinion, the past, the future. When you accept that some things are beyond your control, you free yourself from unnecessary stress. Think of life like a river. You either can fight against the current or go with the flow with it. The more you resist, the harder it gets. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means trusting that things will unfold as they should. Another major step towards inner peace is setting healthy boundaries. So with me, it is okay to say no. A lot of stress comes from taking in too much, people pleasing, overcommitting, and allowing toxic energy into your own personal space. Protecting your peace means knowing when to step back. Prioritize your mental health over the fear of disappointing others. You can't pour from the empty cup. So you got to take care of yourself first. Perfectionism is an enemy of inner peace. If you are constantly chasing an impossible standards, you're setting yourself up for stress and frustration. Accept that mistakes are part of life. There is a Japanese concept called wabi-sabi, which means finding beauty in perfection. Think of a cracked ceramic bowl repaired with gold. Those flaws make it even more unique and valuable. So, stop being so hard on yourself. Perfection is an illusion, but progress, that's real. Nature has a magical way of resetting our minds, whether it's a walk in the park, watching the sunset, or just sitting under a tree. Being in nature grounds you. Study shows that even just 10 minutes outside can lower your stress and increase your happiness. I am grateful that I live close to a wonderful park nearby filled with trees and birds. Next time you feel overwhelmed, step outside, breathe in the fresh air, listen to the birds and just be. Nature reminds us that life isn't meant to be rushed. Everything happens in its own time. Here is a big one. Be kind to yourself. How often do you criticize yourself for not being good enough? Now, imagine if you spoke to your best friend that way. You wouldn't, right? Start treating yourself with the same kindness you offer others. Speak words of encouragement to yourself. Instead of saying, I failed, try, I have learned. Instead of, not good enough, say, I am doing my best and that's enough. Being kind to yourself also includes taking care of your body and mind. Nourish yourself with healthy foods. Drink plenty of water and avoid things that drains your energy, like excessive alcohol or processed food. Sometimes inner peace comes from simply living a more balanced and simple life. Slowing down, appreciating little moments and listening to what your body truly needs. Your relationship with yourself sets the tone for everything else in life. So, be gentle with yourself. You deserve this. Inner peace isn't something you find overnight, but every small step makes a difference. Start with one practice from this video. Maybe it's mindfulness, setting boundaries, or spending time in nature. Over time, you will notice a shift, a sense of calm when even life gets chaotic. So, which of these tips resonate with you the most? Let me know in the comments, and if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a inner peace in their life. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal growth, mindfulness, and creating a life you love. Until next time, take a deep breath and find your inner peace. Thank you for tuning in today to Unparalleled Lifestyle. May you have an amazing day or night, wherever you are. Many blessings.